So guys, today I'm going to be fitting the front shock towers on the Metro and a set of front shock absorbers. The Metro doesn't originally have shock absorbers in it, so this should be a nice hand-in upgrade. And I'll take you for a drive afterwards just so you know, so you can see what it feels like. But yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so fitting these shocks on the front of the Metro using these towers like a strengthening plate. Got the two longer bolts to the bottom, go through there. If I come to the car, basically that's the hole for the shock absorber top to come through there, and the strut support welded in here as a strengthening plate so it doesn't punch through the bottom. The welder I'm using is just a cheap Amazon one, micro MIG, gaseous MIG welder. I'm not a professional, I'm not claiming to be a professional, but it does the job. So yeah, let me just strip this side of the car down and get underneath there and see how this thing's going to fit. Alright, so this part of the car is now stripped. Now these turrets, I think, go along the lines of something like this. That looks about right. I mean, the hole isn't perfectly lined up, so it might need a little bit of tweaking, but I'm pretty sure that's how they're meant to go. Alright, so I've got the shock roughly lined up how it's meant to be. That is the new bolt they supply with the kit. It's just a longer version of that one, which goes in there normally. Accommodates the shock, obviously. That will then go up out the top here and then bolt into the top there. So first job with the welding is clean the surface, get it back to metal, and then we can stick it. So I'm going to use a wire wheel on a drill to clean this paint off there, and along here as well I'm going to fill with weld. So yeah, should be enough to keep it stuck. I'm just going to clean the whole of the area around here with the wire brush, because I will end up just painting it back to red anyway, to stop the rust. But you can just, if you rub it a little bit, it should leave a few marks. That's the way you've got to start, so that's where I've got to start there. I'm going to do along here as well, because I know that's where the seam is. So alright, so cleaned there as well as there and there. That's where that's going to go. Like that. I'm going to try and get some around here as well. So now we've got to try and just bend that a little bit closer to there so I'm not filling a huge gap in. And then we can start sticking. So as you can see, I've just finished welding the first one in. It's quite a mess, but I will end up just grinding that back, giving it a paint, and that'll be fine then. So now the shock can go in, and that is this side done. So this is what it looks like on the finished side. See, bolted on there, all the way along, goes right through, up the top, attached, inside, attached as well. So now I've got to put the ECU bracket on, and then that's it really. It's pretty much done this side. I'll show you how to do the other side properly. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Hopefully it makes a bit of difference. It doesn't make it too difficult to remove the hydrogas units as well, so that's always quite handy. got to remove the washer bottle and the coolant expansion tank just to get into where I need to be, which is just in there. So to remove the expansion tank on the Metro, it's literally just a matter of a couple of Phillips screws, which is handy, and a couple of 10 mils on the back of the expansion tank. So let's remove. Alright, so the coolant bottle and washer tank is out of the way. I now can see how this other strut top is going to fit. So that's going to go like that. I'm going to have to straighten some of these bits out, but I'm going to tack weld it on first, and then I will properly adjust all these little bits here so the gap's closer and the holes more in the middle as well, because it does need a bit of adjustment, this one. But yeah, that's how it's going to go. Get cleaning on this. When it comes to welding, literally the most important thing is having a clean surface. If this isn't clean and it has paint on still, you will not get a proper stick and it will just crack and come off again. So the first thing to do when welding is wire brush or grind as much of the paint off as you can on the areas that you're going to weld. So do that first of all, and then tack weld it in place so you can see what needs adjusting. Then you can adjust it, and if you want to undo the tack weld, just get a little bit of angle grinder and grind it off. You can pull it off again, so it's not a problem. Right, so I've cleaned area off where it's welded, a little bit there so I can tack the front part of the mount on. So if I grab it, it will sit like that. I will just adjust that tab and that tab so it sits flat. But now you're free to stick that just with a tack, either there or there or there. That'll hold it in place so you can finish off your welding around the other edges. Alright, so I'm going to tack along here first of all, just to hold it in place. So gloves on, mask on, most important. And then simply hold it into place where you're going to weld it. Give it a little burst. That's now held in place. And now you can go around doing the rest of the weld. So I'm going to do one here as well. Just like that. So that's now held in place, and you can go around adjusting the tabs and sticking the rest of it together. Alright, so once you've finished your welding, as you can see, it's not brilliant. Give it a good clean up with a wire brush, and then make sure you paint it. And anything that you don't like the look of, grind it off, but mine's hidden so it's not really a problem for me, because it won't be seen. So okay, so that's the other side fitted again. Plenty of space for the hydro gas unit to come out, get to the nuts and all that. Fits nice at the bottom, nice and secure. Come to the top again, all good. Expansion tank, washer bottle can go back on, and we can go for a road test. So that's the car back together, washer bottle, coolant bottle's back in. As you can see, barely see them underneath there anyway. Hopefully you notice a difference, because when I put the car off the jack, it's taken a long time to settle down, as you can see. So I think go for a drive, see what difference it makes, and we'll report back. Hopefully it makes a bit of difference. It's been nice and easy to do though, so it's not a real issue. It does make a huge difference, but it's going to make some difference, that's for sure. Alright, so I'm just going for a road test. Straight away I can tell you that the front end is definitely firmer. I need to get some bumps really, you have to tell probably. Oh yeah, the front end is definitely firmer. That's definitely made a big difference to the front end of the car. that'll stiffen the front end right up. So all in all, I think that's a well worthwhile mod. That recommend it to anyone who's got a Metro, obviously, to do the front shock mod. Bang them on there. I'll be doing a lowering video soon as well on the hydrogas units. I've also got this turned up today for the Cupra. Tuning box for the Cupra, so that'll be going on at some point during the week, and there'll be a video coming out about that as well. But thank you for watching today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned a few things. All the links to the bits I used today will be in the description. The welder, the welding mask, and a few other bits as well. They'll all be in the description, so you can get them if you want them for yourself. But yeah, thank you for watching today. Stay tuned for more.